cream I'm about to taste. So cool.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
Good morning, guys. Happy, what's today? You know me. It's gonna be on the screen too. Happy Tuesday. Today was the boys' first day at their new school. Everyone should know by now. We recently moved and I kept them at the school they were in because the new school advised me I should wait 6 weeks were up. So they had like a total of 6 more days to go, a week and 1 day, which was yesterday was their last day at their old school. So I went on and kept them. They wasn't too happy about that, but what can I say? That's what we had to do. So anyhow, today was their first day at their new school. They're really excited because they have a whole lot of friends they used to go to school with in middle school. Right now I'm doing my breakfast. You guys see I made my tea. I did my yogurt. I'm about to make some eggs and I would have French toast for that. I skip breakfast a lot of times, but I'm trying to get better with it because I notice I do so much, y'all. Stuff y'all don't even see. If the camera was to really be on for a whole day with me, I'll be like, girl, I'm tired for you. Anywho, I'm gonna make this breakfast and eat that day. I have a package to drop off at the post office. Return for Amazon. I need to drop that off at Kohl's. What crazy person medicine? It's the nonsense for me. It's, you know, Precious Kishana, she is out of control.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to.
Welcome back. It's a whole nother day. Your girl is extremely tired. I don't know if y'all can see it in my eyes or whatever. Trying to be young. Haven't been on the phone till 2:30 in the morning, laughing and having a good old time. But your girl is tired. I've been out running the streets. Running the streets don't really be sounding too good, but I've been doing a lot outside. Had a lot accomplished today. I'm just heating up some food. I made some wings last night, fried chicken wings, mac and cheese. Didn't make any other sides. I was just extremely tired. My chicken's heating up. I'm gonna take that out the oven right now. I need to get some mittens though. Oh, I have a list of stuff to get when I get the time to like, I'll make some tea real quick. Some ginger tea because I am filled with gas. My cousin was laughing at me last night because she was like, girl, you need real ginger. I didn't have real ginger. I got the pack. I love to read the little quotes that have on there, and this one says, serve all in truth, in compassion, and in grace. I haven't been using honey with it. I've just been using sugar. I know white sugar is not good for you. but that's what she used. Okay.
Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah.
This is why I need to eat on time, because when I don't eat on time, I just be eating and eating and eating. I got this from Walmart, strawberry parfait. I'm gonna have this after I eat. I'm hungry. My hands is clean. I'm about to taste. So cold. I mix some cold and hot. It don't make no sense, but she's hungry. I put extra dressing in my salad because I like to put a lot of ranch.
I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it.
Mix this up. Back at my old house, everyone used to be like eating in the rooms and stuff. At this house, we made this room. Everybody eat at the table. We don't have to carry no dishes and have no dishes piled up. Oh, I was known for that.
Working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding crutches. Can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. I have not been talking to you guys. I've just been letting my camera roll and y'all see what I'm doing. Happy Sunday. I am getting ready to fix dinner. I'm fixing baked mac and cheese, ribs, baked beans, and we're gonna have for dessert, store-bought, I did not make it. We're gonna have ice cream and peach pie. Peach, I believe it's peach. Yeah, peach pie because they didn't have apple. And I got this at my local grocery store here in Randall's. The peach pie was like $10. I don't know why they said $10. I think it's like $9.99. Yeah. So I'm gonna fix some rib and do that. I'm about to make some tea because she all gassed up because she hungry. You already know. I had a good breakfast with the kids. Y'all seen that earlier. I made sausage, heated up them pancakes, and made them eggs. Heated up the sausage. I did on stove though. Eggs and pancakes. So I'm gonna let the water boil. Excuse me. I'm gonna let the water boil for the macaroni. Then I'm gonna boil that. I'm gonna do the beans. Then I'm gonna stick the macaroni. Wait, I probably stick the ribs in the oven first. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. I probably steam it a little bit because I want to get that back off. So right now I have it soaking in lime juice. I have it soaking in lime water because I used the fresh lime and cut those, as you guys can see. Yeah, once I get to an interesting part, I'll pick up the camera again. I'm about to probably play some music back here. The TV's back here. I'll probably get caught up on some vlogs. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, I'll make tea first, have some tea, and probably a piece of this spice bun. This is my fave. I get this at my local grocery store here in Houston. It's called Fiesta. This spice bun, this Jamaican spice bun, and then I use the cheese Fiesta as well, and that's the brand is Tasty Cheese, and this is the cheese I like to use, and it's also a Jamaican cheese. I smell everything. smells so good. Doesn't really have a smell. I don't know what's going on. I'm just hungry. So I'm gonna slice this up and put it on 2 slices of that spice bun in my tea while I wait on this stuff because she hungry. I forgot to do a voiceover. Okay, so the clip with me in the airplane, you seen that person that was leaning on my pillow, like we in this flight together? Yeah. So that was my happy plane buddy. He was just so exhausted. He just helped himself on my pillow. The part with the book in front of the face, he didn't have any sunscreen and he didn't want the sun. He said the sun, when it hits inside the plane, is really dangerous for our skin. So he was like protecting his skin from getting burned from the sun, because the plane we were sitting there for a good like 30 minutes before we can get to our gate. So he was like protecting himself from getting sunburned. So those are the clips that I showed on my way to New York. So yeah, let me do this and I'll get back to y'all, because you don't want to hear how much hungry I am. And
Honestly, you're bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems. I know I got a lot of work to do, baby. I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see